basically we are we are going to demonstrate our code. So this is the structure tag for the receipt. This is the structure tag members which actually store the receipt number, item type, and the amount. This is the array for the item type, array for the amount. Okay, so this is the structure variables. Okay, so this is the structures for node for linked list. So the item type, amount, and node next pointer for the node. So this is the node temp, pointer temp, and pointer temp2 for the traversing the linked list, and start node initialize with the null variable. Yeah, null with null. So integer array for the preset data set, and the receipt number is 00 starting from 005. So this is for the preset data set. And for our class we the pet shop, and the public method of the class the integer main menu, then the void menu, the void data set data preset, then the void add items, then the view receipt, delete items, the view search, and the exit. Okay, so the integer main function, into the main function we pet the pet shop, then item order, then item order dot data preset functions, then return 0. So inside the main functions menu, so this is our functions menu 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is a variable integer a for enter the choice. So and the one for view items. So when the user press 1 for the view item, so they will see the main menu and the system pulse, then the main menu it go again, then break. Then for add items, this is the add item function. 3 is for delete item, 4 is for view receive functions, 5 is for search function, 6 is for exit, and for the by default that will be the main menu. Okay, so let's begin this menu. So here is the menu details. Okay, so the data preset, we give data preset all the data store this function. So basically we put 5 default data preset here. Okay, this is the this is the data preset. Temp is equal to new node. So the temp is equal item type 5, the amount, this amount said in the linked list here, the temp variables, the amount inside the temp variables, then the receipt numbers similarly inside the temp variables. The next, that means the last of the linked list will be the null. So that we set the conditions. If start is equal to null, that means start temp. That means if is equal to num, then start is equal to temp, else start assign to the temp2, and if null not equal to next, temp next, while we give the whilst conditions here. Okay, alright, so that means the reason for the item type 2, this linked list. So that means the data will be set in the new linked list because there is a new node. So we press here the new node for the linked list. So similarly go for the same thing goes for the others also, for the receipt number 1 2 3 4 5. So that means after everything, that will be returned to the main menu again. So this is the for adding item. For adding item, we have to put the we call the main menu functions, where we can see the our items, so that will help to decide which one we want to add. Integer I, integer x for the choice. So we set the limit maximum 5 orders, so that means if x, that means the imported items maybe if exit the limit, so that means go to the else conditions. Then after that, if exit the limit, that it will be see here the item you are added exit the limit. And system also go to the main functions again, main menu again. That means if the less than 5, that means maybe 3 4 1 maybe. Then the doubled amount we initialize is 0.0, then temp is equal to new node. That means we start again another linked list where we put our added items. Okay, this is our the menu. Okay, alright. So then after the selection part, maybe see in the added items store in the item type variables. Okay, item type variables, if is equal to 1, maybe selection 1, then the item type of the amount will be stored here. Okay, if selection is 2, that means the amount stored is amount is equal to amount plus 20.91. that means the amount, the initialized value is 0.00. this one, that means the total is amount is equal to 0.00 plus 20.99, so altogether is 20.99 for the first turn. Okay, so this is one. Similarly goes for the other one also. This is for storing the receipt number. This link storing the receipt number from the structured pack. Then tab new is equal to null. Then we put the conditions here again. Then the amount will be stored according to the receipt number. Okay, the receipt number is generated automatically. So yeah, receipt number is equal to receipt number plus 1. Okay, increment the receipt number here. So the added items, we can, for view the added items, we put the for loop here, for loop for the item less than 1. Okay, less than I, less than x, I plus plus, then verb receipt number, receipt array, yeah, assigned to r, then r access to the item type array, 1 for the 1 for the protect the, yes, 2 for royal chain, 3 for the pet collars, for the smart tracers. Okay, then the total is equal to total plus our amount. So that means the total plus our amount I receipt numbers. Okay, so grand totals is equal to find equal total, so you can set the added item totals. Okay, array plus increment by array. Alright, so this is our view receipt for the view function. So we initialize the value for the total 0.00 first, then we will give the integer variables, declare variables for b and I. Okay, for the b is equal to 0 and b less than array b plus plus. Okay, so we can see here receipt number, item name, item type, and amount. So for if item type is equal to 0, that means there is nothing inside the added item, so there will be show dash dash. And if item type 1, so there will be view here. If item type 2, item type I, that means that will retrieve the data from the array from the item type I is equal to 3. Okay, so similarly goes to the others. And yeah, this one accessing the array I, so the total is equal to total plus r amount I. Okay, so when yeah, this is a totals amount of the added item, okay? In grand totals. For the delete item, we can delete from according to the receipt number. So when we put when we select the delete from the menu, so we will be see the you want to delete. If we press 1 for delete and 2 for not. If delete item is equal to 1, that means yes. B is equal to 0, then receive address of receive array -1, that means is put into R. Then for we have to give the to put the loop here, and integer I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. If if item type I or is then the access is not equal to 0, that means if item type, that means receipt number, is not equal to 0, that means B plus 1. Okay, then a structure tag receive element if array less than 0. Okay, so that means there is no latest setup. That means if after delete, when you delete, that means there is no items to be deleted. So that means array is less than 0, that means there is no latest item to be deleted. And after deletions, this is the confirmation that delete is completed. That means the this one, array -1. After delete the array -1 will store in array. It means stored in array. Thank you. And for the deleting data from the linked list, so that is the start assigned to temp. That means the temp next not equal to null. While loop we implement while loop here, then not equal to null, then temp assigned to temp2, and temp next assigned to temp. That means delete temp. So it means delete temp, this next item will be deleted, and then null next temp null assigned to temp next. Okay, the system pulse, go to the main menu, then else if they put 2 for or not deleted, so that means they will be show the delete declined, and go to the main menu function. And after, if someone put the without 1 or 2, they put 4, 5 or 6, that means there is not available item for the deletions. Then we'll see the main menu. For the search item, we implement here the binary search. Okay, so that means we initialize the variables number, then first one is 0, the last one is array -1, mid position -1. Okay, so double total, we initialize the value 0.00. so that means welcome to federation, enter the receipt number you want to search for, that will be shown. Maybe we can search according to the receipt number, so maybe we can search 001, 002. Okay, so this is our condition. So see in numbers, so this the choice number, that is it now will stored in this number for searching. That will be the boolean conditions we put here. Found is equal to false, that means we put here the while loop. Yes, while loop for the searching. We are using here the binary search, so that's why the found is not found. That means found is equal to false, that means not found is equal to true. That means while this is true and %, so the n the first is less than last, that means 0 less than last is true. That means both are true. That means then after that mid is equal to first last divided by 2. That is the binary function, binary search algorithm. So we put first and last divided by 2 and assign in the mid, then if the receive mid. So after this results into the receive numbers dot access the receive number is equal to number. Okay, number assigns to here. Okay, then if true assigns to found, then mid assigns to the position, which positions. Okay, else if otherwise if it is not true, then go to the second condition, go to the third condition. The second condition is the receive number mid dot receive number greater than number mid minus 1 assigned to the last. The another condition is the mid plus 1 assigned to the first. Okay, if the position is equal to minus 1, then the receive number does not exist in the systems. Please enter correctly. Thank you. And else this is for the view part of our of the receive. So the item searched by the receive number, this one is the time function. Yeah, this one is the for time function, and the C out the date and time. Okay, then item name, item type, amount. Okay, if the receive number position, the address of receive is assigned to R, that in the for loop, then have to put here for if the item type is equal to 0, that means there is nothing here. If the item type 1, this one, item type 2, this one. Okay, so after that the total grand totals is equal to total and the amount I. Okay, so this is the grand total. So that is all about for the search item. And for the exit function, when we press 6, that means you are exiting the program. Thank you. Have a nice system also. Okay, thank you. That is for our presentations. So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much.